Hello students, in this video the topic is B cell activation. So the B cell activation is very important for the that is binding with the antigen and neutralize the antigens. So these B cells are released from the bone marrow. So this bone marrow that is release the B cells after the maturation is complete. Actually, bone marrow is very important for the produce the B cells. Then the B cells are produced and mature and released into blood for the immunity. So this is the very important about the that is B cells are released from the bone marrow. So when the B cells are released and ready for fight with antigens, the when the antigens are released or antigens are enter into our body, the B cells are normally bind with antigens with the help of B cell receptors. So this is normal process by the B cells. So then, but in sometimes the antigens are presented by the another cells that we are called as a macrophages, or we are also called as a phagocytic cells, or we are also called as a antigen presenting cells. So these macrophages or antigen presenting cells are very important for the present the antigens to B cells. So it is a step by step method is present in the presenting the antigens by the macrophages. So the first one is by the macrophage. Suppose macrophage is there. Actually, first one is it is recognize the antigen. It is recognize the antigen. That is first point. And the second one is engulf the antigens. Means it is that is cytosis. Means phagocytosis the antigens. Means gain the antigen into the cytoplasm of the macrophage. After gain the antigens, that is destroy the antigen. That is the third point of the macrophage. Destroy the antigens means the antigen is destroyed and separate the two substrates, that is called as a non-toxic material and called as a toxic material. So this toxic material is again present on the membrane of the that is macrophage, but the non-toxic material is neutralized and soluble in our bloodstream. So because it is non-toxic material, it is not harmful to our immunity or our body. So the toxic material is should present on the membrane of the macrophages, on the macrophage. So this is macrophage and it is present on the macrophage membrane. So this antigen is present to the B cell receptors of the B cell. So this is the antigen present. So this is the fourth point of the macrophages. After the that is presented by the macrophages, B cell is activated. That is fifth point. That is fifth one. So when the gain the B cell naturally or by the macrophages, the B cell is activated. That we are called activated B cells. So this is now activated B cells. So after the activated B cells, it is ready to that is clonal expansion, that we are called as a clonal expansion. So means produce the different type of cells, that we are called proliferation. So that process we are called as a proliferation. So when the activated B cell is there, that is activated and produce the different type of cells, that we are called plasma cells, and another we are called memory cells. And also B cells activated by another cells, not by their own, and not by macrophages, and not by own, but it is also activated by T helper cells. This is called T helper cells. So T helper cells also that is gain the antigens sometimes with the help of macrophages or by the own of the T helper cells, and engulf the T that is antigens, and destroy some that is non-toxic material, and toxic material is present on the CD4 molecules of the T helper cells, and it is present to MHC2 of the B cells. So the antigen is present by the CD4 to MHC2 B cells. So by this process the B cells also activated. After activation is completed, the clonal expansion is there and proliferation is present. So after proliferation, the two types of cells are produced. One we are called memory cells, and second one we are called plasma cells and memory cells. So the plasma cells we are called as a first line of immunity or first primary immunity. Why? Because these plasma cells are fight with antigens by the release of antibodies. So means within short time the plasma cells, within short timely the plasma cells release the number of antibodies, and these antibodies bind with the antigens and destroy the antigen within 10 minutes or 20 minutes, or that is in the 6 hours or 9 hours, means that is before the 20 or within 24 hours it is destroy the total antigens. But along with the plasma B cells, the memory cells also proliferated. But if these memory cells are not release the antibodies, but they remain the antibodies in their surface and wait for the next entry of the again entry of the antigens. So this is this we are called as a secondary immunity. Secondary immunity. So means that is suppose for example malaria is enter into our body, then the B cell is activated by the macrophages or T helper cells, or thereby own their cells, and after that the B cell is activated and release the plasma cell. These plasma cells are destroy the Malarian antigens. So the person, that person is cured by the malaria. So is the immunity is gained by the plasma cells and the antigens are destroyed. He is escaped from malaria, or he is covered by the malaria. But after 1 month or after 2 months or after 1 year, again the malaria is attacked to same person. But this time the B cells are not activated their own, because already memory cells are present in our body. The B cells are not activated, and they are not again enter into proliferation, because the memory cells are already present and they are directly attack on antigens, because release the antibodies, and they are directly attack on antigens and destroy the again same type of antigens. So means malaria. So this is called as a there's a secondary immunity, that is called as a secondary immunity. But it is a by the plasma cells primary immunity. This is very important. The primary immunity is the first entry of the antigen. Secondary immunity is by the second entry of the antigens, that is by the memory cells. So this is the B cell activation. The B cell activation also called as a humoral activation. The B cell cells activation also called as a humoral mediated cell activation, because the B cells are not directly kill the antigens. They release the antibodies. That antibodies kill the antigens in the our bloodstream. So that's why the indirectly antibody kill the antigens in the blood. That's why we are called as a humoral mediated antibody. Humoral mediated that is immunity or antibodies, immunity or activation, right? So this is the B cell activation.